I'm Damien Parker, I'm Head of Faculty for Art Design Technology and an Apple Distinguished Educator.
I'm Ben and I'm a student here at St Cyres School, and I've been studying engineering here for the past 2 years.
Just before the second lockdown, our Year 10 engineers were completing the theory work on the transistor circuit. During the lessons, they produced keynote presentations to back up their understanding and were preparing to start designing a light to apply the electronics. In order to continue their learning during the lockdown period, we developed digital portfolios for the pupils to work on remotely. This would enable them to develop their design skills and prepare them for their examination year starting next September. Each lesson was delivered using our MacBook and iPad Pro, allowing us to demonstrate new apps, drawing techniques, and guide them through the design process. Students completed the work on their iPads and shared their design folios via the Shobi app for us to mark and provide feedback. One of our main concerns this year has been the lack of practical work produced by our students. All our workshops have been locked down due to the COVID restrictions, so we needed to look at ways in which pupils could continue pushing forward with their skills in an engaging way. We invested some time into the app Tinkercad, which allows students to create products in 3D, visualize their work in AR, and 3D print their outcomes if necessary. We were amazed at how quickly our students adapted to the use of this app and integrated the use of the technology into all year group projects throughout this year. By using this app, our students were able to bring their design ideas for their lighting designs, for example, to life without the need to produce prototype models in the workshops which were unfortunately locked down.
Once I'd completed my project, I showed the designs to my parents, and then my dad told me that my uncle was a CEO of a lighting company. So after that, my dad told my uncle, which he then set up a video conference with the head of research and development. This is a huge opportunity because it allowed me to ask lots of questions, and then he was able to help me improve my lighting project. He was very impressed with what I was able to do on an iPad, and he said that the designs I made were very professional, and he was surprised with what was able to be done here at St Cyres School thanks to the Apple iPad.
Through his iPad and his folio created with the Pages app, Ben was able to discuss and present his work and was given a great insight into how a design idea can be taken from initial sketch to full production.
That opportunity has taught me a lot about how the work we're doing here in school is also applicable in industry, and thanks to Apple apps such as Keynote, it's allowed me to create higher quality work, which is then leading me to get higher grades. But yeah, it's very interesting, thank you.
Yeah, if you have other questions, you can always send them by mail. Yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I wish you all the best.
Bye.
Bye-bye.